How can you replace your income with dropshipping? Hi, it's Lewis Smith here, and today I wanted to go through how you actually replace your income with dropshipping because the members that work with us and come to us at Dropship Unlocked are usually working full time jobs. They usually have a good, stable income, but the thing that they don't have is freedom, the ability to take themselves out of what they're doing day to day to run a business that runs independently of them so that their time is no longer linked to money. Instead, the money comes in while they sleep because they've built an asset that generates money for them. So the model of dropshipping that we use is probably a bit different to what you might be familiar with previously, depending on where you are in the research process. But you'll hear people talking about dropshipping and selling these cheap widgets from China and AliExpress and Alibaba. That's not what we do. We don't make customers wait for 30 days for delivery of their products from China to only be disappointed with a low quality item. Instead, we sell high ticket products from UK suppliers that arrive with customers usually within 1 to 2 days, often next day. And those products might be £2,000 per item. Now, don't be scared by that. People are buying £2,000 items every single day. Think of companies like Kazoo and Cinch. People are buying 30, £40,000 used cars online without even seeing them every day. So if you have any limiting beliefs about, no one would buy a £2,000 product online, trust me, they do. They do it multiple times every day, just on our stores, let alone on the hundreds of members that we've worked with to build these stores. But imagine that you've built the business, right? So you've joined us at Dropship Unlocked, you've got the business up and running after about 5 weeks, you've made your first sale. Now, your first sale was for £2,000 at a 30% profit margin, leaves you with about £600 in profit. So you've got £600 profit on that one sale. Now imagine that you make one sale per day, because with high ticket products, the volume of sales is generally a bit lower. So you've made a sale per day, 30 days over the course of a month. That gives you a gross profit of £18,000 in gross profit. Now, remember, that's before ad spend, because to acquire that customer, you do need to run some ads usually. You can do it other ways, but to run a business like this successfully and get it up and running fast, you're going to want to run some ads. So generally that would be about £100 per day on ads, maybe a bit more, maybe a bit less, depending on how good you are with ads. And we can help you with that, by the way. But say you're running £100 per day on ads times 30 days, that's going to give you a ad spend over the course of the month of £3,000. So deduct that cost from your £18,000 and you are left with £15,000 in net profit. Is that more than you currently earn from your job per month? If it is, you've replaced your income with dropshipping. And remember, you could take all of that money out yourself as dividends if you wanted to. You could put that money into investments within the company. At that point, the money is your company's. You can do whatever you like with it. And we show you how to get to that stage. Now, obviously, this has just been a summary video, but if you want a more in-depth, detailed guide onto how to actually do this and start with this, because it's completely possible, you just need to follow a very step-by-step action plan. I've put together a 45-minute free training. The link's in my bio, so head over there and you can watch it. Or if you go to dropshipunlocked.com/free, then you can access it straight away and watch it now. Hopefully it will really help you. And if you've enjoyed this video and you'd like more tips and tricks like this, then please hit the subscribe or follow button for more content similar to this.